channel. Today I'm making a really delicious dessert. I'm making a triple berry almond crisp and I'm topping it with some vanilla ice cream. You can find this recipe and more on my blog at jennywilliamsblog.com. Alright, let's get into the video. Start off with 4 cups of frozen mixed berries. I used a combo of blackberries, raspberries, and blueberries. Then add 1/3 cup of pure maple syrup. Next add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, 1/2 cup of almond meal, 1/3 cup of coconut sugar, 1/3 cup sliced almonds, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, and give that a really good stir until nice and combined. Now let's add our wet ingredients. We're going to do a 1/4 cup of melted vegan butter and a 1/4 cup of this delicious coconut milk yogurt by So Delicious. I love this company. All of their products are just awesome, especially their frozen goods. Bake at 350 for 40 to 45 minutes until lightly golden. Add some vanilla ice cream on top and it's the perfect spring vegan dessert. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!